Hi dearest friends, as you can see today we're preparing one of the best and sweetest foods or dessert you ever tried in your life. So for this we need a sugar. I'm using white one. I'm using 4 white one also. We need some of the butter for our dessert. Onto the sugar, we're pouring hot water and trying to stir it till it will melt nicely, because we will use it for our dessert. As you can see, I'm trying to stir it and I'm trying to melt it. So if you have a brown sugar or any other type, it's also fine. If you have brown sugar, it's actually much more better. Now we will put our kazan. You can use something deep. I'm gonna use kazan. I will put it on the heat and I will put some of vegetable oil. If you want to use some different oil, it's also fine. But I used to love using vegetable oil. Now after heating the oil, we will put the flour and we will mix it well nicely. We have to fry it till it will turn to chocolate color. As you can see here, I already fried it. Now after it turns to a chocolate color, I will pour cold water and mix it well, because our chocolate type whole white tart should mix it well with water. And I will put a little bit of butter and slowly mix it while it's on the heat. As you can see, butter is melting slowly and it's giving the nice texture to our whole white tart. After mixing it well, I made it boil. As you can see, it's boiling so beautifully, like a lava. It reminds me of chocolate. Yeah, the heat is really high, so it should boil, because there is a cold water. We should boil it nicely. If you could just smell this, oh my god. Now I'm closing the lid and turning a little bit down the heat, and I will leave the closed lid for a few minutes, like 5 to 10 minutes. It's really fine. Now our whole white tart is almost ready. I will serve it on the plate, but you can serve it on any plate you want. It's actually right now really hot. You can try it like this, or you can try it my way. I'll show you. So, as you can see, I put in my whole white tars on the fridge for a few hours. After, as you can see, they're becoming like a jelly. You can cut it into the pieces and try it with a spoon. Oh my god, you should try it. It's really delicious. Have a good day. I hope you will make it at home. Thank you.